Hello and welcome to MastersTeach. And today we are going to discuss about the national commissions and policies in education, and which is very important for APTET, Telangana TET, CTET, and other PSC exams. Okay, and it is the only English channel which gives entire content in English. Do subscribe, MastersTeach. Let us start with the National Commissions and Policies in Education in India. So, Education Commission, which is there 1964 to 66, the main objective of this particular commission, okay, speedy reconstruction of education to meet the national development needs and promote the social justice. Here, the important point here, 10 plus 2 plus 3 system. So that means the structure of education, 10 years schooling, 2 years of higher secondary and 3 years degree. Then it is focuses on uh, equalization of educational opportunities and quality improvement all level. This is the main motto of this education commission. Then National Policy on Education 1986. So it emphasizes on universal access and enrollment, like there is a quality improvement in education. Then it focuses on values and national integration. So it given the importance for the women empowerment through education. So the key initiatives of National Policy on Education 1986. One is OBB, that is Operation Blackboard, which means basic infrastructure for many primary schools. Then Navodaya Vidyalayas, like pace setting of residential schools in villages. Then adult education. So it is emphasized on literacy program for the nationwide. Then it comes to the Program of Action 1992. So it launches the DPEP, that is District Primary Education Program, focus on universalization of elementary education with the community participation. And the second point is that decentralization. So empower the local bodies and communities in educational planning and management and monitoring. Then it emphasized on infrastructure development. So massive construction of school buildings, classrooms, libraries, and teaching learning material. Then teacher recruitment. So it focuses on appointment of large scale of trained teachers, focus on in-service teacher training programs also. That is the POA, program of action. If you are unable, just take the screenshot, it will be helpful for you. Then national policy on national policy for persons with disabilities 2006. So it is for the children with the special needs. Okay, it is a right based approach. So it is not the charity model, but it shifted to right perspectives. So we have to ensure that dignity and respect and equal opportunity for the disabled children and inclusive education. So along with the normal children, disabled children also get the education with the special educator in regular classroom, and they adapted the curriculum. Barriers free access. So in order to have primary accessible in schools, assistive technology, braille material, and sign language interpreters are mentioned in this particular policy, National Policy for Persons with Disabilities 2006. Then National Curriculum Framework 2005. So it is a constructivism. So knowledge is constructed through active learning, connect to the children's life experience. So it is going to be a learner centered, not teacher centered. Okay. Then CCE, continuous comprehensive evaluation. So it which reduce the uh, exam stress and overall development. Then it focuses on activity learning. So learning by doing. So experiential learning, project based learning approaches, etc. Then Andhra Pradesh APSCF. Okay, Andhra Pradesh State Curriculum Framework 2011. Okay, so the key features are it is activity based learning, that hands on experience and practical knowledge, then a focus on national development, vocational skills and integrated primary level, then life skill education, critical thinking, problem solving, communication and decision making, then local context, the curriculum should be relevant to the regional needs and cultural context. Then National Education Policy 2020, NEP 2020. So it is given the like 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 pattern, that is the foundational course for 3 to 8 years, preparatory for 8 to 11 years, and middle 11 to 14, and secondary 14 to 18 stages. So multidisciplinary learning, that is holistic education, flexible subject choice, art, science, integration, then focused on national training, so skill based education from class 6th, then internship and practical exposure. Then they emphasized on mother tongue medium. So education at home language till up to 5th grade. So multilingual approach is there. So then National Curriculum Framework Foundational Stage 2022. So they emphasized on play-based curriculum. So learning through play for the age group 3 to 8 years. So it is a joyful and engaging pedagogy. Then holistic development, so it is physical, mental, physical, cognitive, social, emotional and language development integrated. Then learning dominion, 5 dominions: physical, cognitive, language, socio economic and aesthetic culture. This is about the NCF foundational stage 2022. So NCF School Education 2023 focuses on competence based, so focus on learning outcome skills, competence rather than rote memory. They oppose the rote memory, it should be on competence based. Then multilingual education, 3 language formula, emphasis on Indian languages and classical languages. So the assessment reforms, board exams should be twice in a year so that it reduces the exam pressure. Okay, holistic progress card should be there. So remember all these particular policies. Okay, go through this again and again, watch this video again and again, and in order to have detailed PDF or PPTs, so please download MastersTeach. Okay, you will going to get the same. Thank you for watching my video. Then we'll meet in the next lecture. All the best for your coming examination.